not stayed in one of these for quite a while. I know they've remodeled them. Just here for a quick trip. But you've got your little bar area here. Closet. And then you've got little half bath here. Little seating for 4. Nice little entertaining space, and I believe, we'll check it, but I believe it is a pull-out sofa under there if you need the extra space. And then if you wanted to, you could also join the other room and just use this as your common space. Since it's just me, no need for that. Now here you have the Wind's amazing pool, or excuse me, the Red Rock's amazing pool area. Nice big TV. And then in here, did get the 2 queen just so I could kind of show, so you could get 6 people in here if you really wanted to. Got your 2 queens, and then you've got double closets. Safe, lights up, your robe. Same thing on this side. No safe, I believe, though, for that one. And then you've got your bathroom, your shower, no bidet toilet in these ones. But you still get the nice, deep, jetted tub. These are amazing. If you've ever stayed at the Red Rock, you know how awesome these jetted tubs are. And you've got your vanity area as well. So, again, we're here at the Red Rock, room 5118. It's a signature suite, 2 queen signature suite here at the Red Rock. 2 queen beds, 2 bath, well, 1.5 bath, nice sitting area. And these are just kind of the step up into the suite. That's kind of their entry-level suite. Turn that around there so you guys can see me. Yeah, it's their entry-level suite. It's great for families, group of people getting together. Like I said, you can do the other adjoining room, make it a 2-bedroom one, and nice and clean. Yeah, great properties. You guys know, if you're watching on my channel, you know I love the Red Rock. So make sure that you give them a shot. They're, you know, not on the strip. They are about 15-20 minute drive west of the strip, but great scenery out here, great casino, great hosts. They take really good care of you out here. Station Casinos, they do an amazing job. My host Nerly is fantastic. So you know, if you need anything and you're a good casino player, make sure you get hooked up with Nerly. She's awesome. So we'll end it there. That's our Red Rock room tour. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Hey guys, here at Red Rock, and decided to sit down on a Dragon Link, play some of my free play. We switch this around. Look at those numbers there. So we are playing dollar denom. There's my free play, $25. We've done 3 spins, and look at what we just hit. All right, guys, let's see what we can add to it. Here we go. Come on. Nice. Come on. No more dead ones. Ah, nice. All right. Ooh. All right, last spin. Need some help. Keep us going. Well, first hand pay of the 40-day casino road trip. Look at that. Third spin in. Love the sight of that. Waiting for some of my Vegas friends, Brazen Slots, jaywalking. Hopefully see TBTSLOTS around. Maybe Vegas Pete. And maybe we can get some filming going together. But in the meantime, definitely take this hit. And let's see what we added to it. Not a bad way to start this road trip for sure. Nice little $1,400 hit. And they don't have fast pay here, but we will wait for that hand pay and we'll be back. We still have $525 in free play. Alright guys, we took the rest of that free play that I had left and brought it over here to Buffalo Chief. Playing 10-cent denom $16 bets. And here we go. Ooh, the worst. Hopefully we get a lot of re-triggers here.
Buffalo!
Come on, coin. There we go. Some multipliers with that white buffalo. Nice.
Buffalo!
240 and a $48 hit. We'll take that. Looks like we got two $72 hits as well. And we still got 5 free spins. Come on, coins.
Buffalo!
Come on, coins. 2 more spins. Need some re-trigger. One more coin, one more coin, one more coin. Last one. Come on. Coin. Coin. Well, not bad. 527 extra bucks on our free play. We will take that. You guys know I love the Buffalo Chief. That 10-cent denom with that $7,500 major. I've hit that once before on my channel. Check out that. It's one of my first videos. Check that out if you haven't seen that. And yeah, we'll be back if we hit something else.